Okay, so yesterday we are okay. Let me share my screen. So yesterday we are up to this point. We are basically what we did. We did the this one REW interpolation of the PM 2.5 values. Okay, so you're asking for how to create this type of Excel sheet so that we can include here and do our analysis. So let's create that one. Okay. Okay. So first thing, as you already discussed, that we have to go to CPCB website. Okay. Okay. So here basically you have to download the all the AQI station. Okay. So here you can find all the AQI stations that are available in the area. Okay. So okay, so these are all the stations that are available. These are the station name, the state, and the latitude and the longitude. Okay, and then if you go down and see that in the Delhi area, this much of stations are there in the Delhi region. Okay, so there are 45 stations available. I only create only for 26. Okay, let us calculate for some other stations. Okay, so okay, so where to download those data sets? You can directly download here also. Here you have to, the download data is basically the time you selected, that one you can download. But just go to OpenAQ. Okay, search for OpenAQ. In the OpenAQ, go to this OpenAQ homepage. Okay, okay, you're there. OpenAQ. Then in that, okay, we'll be using the Python API. The API key we are using in the when we understand the programming languages. But for now, go here and see. This is search for local data and click here the explore the data. Okay. Okay. So these are your all the sensors available. Okay. So let us check some this one. Okay, so here you can see that it is basically the IGI airport station. Okay, see if the IGI airport station is available in this list or not. So yeah, this one, this IGI airport T3 is available. Okay, so you have to create a Excel sheet. Okay, and in that Excel sheet, okay, just ignore all the values. Okay, just create the station name, organization, state, and latitude, longitude. This type of columns. Okay, please create these columns first. Then in the below that, okay, so you have to just go here and download the data. Okay, oh sorry, I'm not login here. Login. Yeah, now you can download, you can uncheck those you are not required to download. Okay, and you can download for different time frame also. Okay, so basically give you the uh, that one, the total data. Okay, let us download for like to match the previous one. Please download for March month. Oh, okay, so
Where did you search this data file?
open a queue, then explore the data.
After going there,
Then just zoom into the area, Delhi region. Then click any of the point. Let's say this one is Mundka. Okay, where is that? IJ airport. Okay, anything you check that and check that if that is available in the list itself. Okay,
our
so
earlier list. Okay.
yeah, just click on that. Click on that air pollution. Okay, and then click on show details. And here you have to log in first, then just click on download the data. Okay,
So there are many factors. So I hope it is not needed. No, all factors we should download, all parameters rather.
yes, and also many sessions have different parameters. Like for this one, the IGI, you have only this much of parameters. But if you open this one, the Punjabi Bagh area, here you can find, see, there bunch
Yeah,
of
because I've
other.
opened one Mumbai location ka station, and there
Okay.
I'm getting many things like CO, NO, NO2, all O3 and all the stuff. So I hope we can untick which is not needed, right?
Yes, just
Yeah.
here, click here and check that one, and then you can download.
Hmm.
So this is the basically main part that yeah, if for before we are in mind when you start some topics to for the research. Okay, so we think that yes, I can research for let's say 20 years or for any sessions. Then when you go into that and see that the dataset is not available for all the regions, so then you have to plan which dataset and for which months you have to locate or create your research. So that one is very
Sir, I went to the download page, but where you can tick and untick, na, that page is not seen here.
you have to click on the download data.
Acha, acha, after
See,
that it will show.
Yes, ma'am. This is the IJ airport, and you can find here download data.
Yes, yes.
After that, you can find this one. Please check
Okay.
your select your date range. Okay, as you can see here, it will give only for 30 days. That will only you can download for 30 days. So if you are planning for, let's say, a seasonal variation or for some years, so you have to download again and again, and then you can integrate. But that problem can be can be tackled with those API access. Okay, so I'll show you how to extract data using API. But before that, the API basics need to be learned.
So for how many days you have given, like start date and end date, and the duration, like 15 minutes, 20 minutes, sort of that? Anything limited,
See,
right?
only
Yeah.
yeah, only for the 1 month I have taken from 1 to 31st. But
Okay. And the duration, like 15 minutes or a day, hour?
it will give that is not
That is not
not
there. But
requiring.
now what I got, it is what we can say, after 15 minutes ka this thing is there, I think so. Yeah, because
See,
I got it for 30, 45, 0, 15, 30. 15 minutes ka this thing is there. So even if I've given one day, I got quite a lot this one
hmm.
data. It's okay.
Yes, so that's why it is limited about in 1,000 records or 30
Mhm.
days
Yeah, it is limited,
for that.
1,000 records. Like, yes, 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 yes. Till 30 days you can do it. Otherwise, then you have to do it separately.
So see, here you have information of the location, okay, the date and time, okay. So let's say you are trying a time series analysis for uh, daily data, okay. So that you have to do the analysis according to that. You have to select for 1 day. Okay, for each day you have to select the data available and you have to calculate the sum or mean, whatever you required, and then you can put that into your Excel sheet. Okay, you can have to perform the analysis like that one. But if you compare with remote sensing and this one, so here you can find that the data set is available for 15 minutes data set also available, but the level 5 data sets are basically 1 day data sets. Okay, so you have to prepare a 1 day data set for to analysis. Okay, so just uh, you know um, okay, so these are all the data sets are available. So let us create one. So please select this parameter and this value. Okay, parameters and value. Go to the insert tab. Here you can find a pivot table. Okay, just click on that pivot table and open it in new worksheet. Okay,
Insert me what you have done, sir.
pivot table. Here you can find a pivot table option
Insert pivot table. I doubt I'm not getting
from.
written.
Sir,
Pivot table, Command requires at least 2 rows of source data. You cannot use the command on the selection in only one row. If you are using
Okay.
I'm getting some error into this. So I've selected two, but still it is giving me that you have to select.
Just select like this one. Okay, just click here, click on the parameter button. Then press Control Shift and the down arrow key.
Okay.
So we are selecting it for one day only, no?
No, we are calculating for a total month, mean of the month.
Any day we can select.
Yes. Okay. Let's see this one. Okay. Then after the selection, just click on the Shift tab and click on the right arrow key so that the next one is also selected. Okay.
Okay. Shift and okay.
Then again go to the Insert tab, click on the Pivot Table and from table range. Then okay.
So
Okay.
pivot table. New worksheet or existing, anything can be okay, right?
New worksheet.
Okay, now it is okay. So then
Okay.
next what?
Then just select. See here you can find the parameter values. Okay. Then just select on the parameters. So you have all the parameters and then select on value. So you have the value.
Where you are getting that, sir?
This one there in the right side. You are not getting this one.
I'm getting this table, but this row labels and some of the values.
You have to just check. You have to check this parameter.
Acha, अरे यार, gone.
You are able to download.
Which one?
My data is not being downloaded, sir.
एक minute, it's gone somewhere again.
Okay, this data is not downloaded for your system.
No. It is not. I will check at some other point.
So yours okay. This will take some time to basically process and download. So
Okay.
please wait for 2 to 3 minutes so that you can download.
Okay.
Got it, sir. Row labels and some of the values. Okay. Yeah.
Yes. So you can if you are getting some of the values, so you can. But some of the values is not any. There is no point of being include the sum of the value, because if your analysis for 1 month, okay. So sum, that means you are if that means it will calculate the total PM 2.5 present from start date to end date. Okay, that but we need the mean of the value so that we have the note the value that what is the mean of that value. Okay, so here you in the values, so in the right side you can see that this is the value section. So in this value section you have the sum of value. You can select that and you can calculate for you can calculate for anything. These are various available and you can calculate for average. Okay, and then you have the average value. Got it?
No, I'm getting that sum of value wala this thing, but
Okay, select here in the values, click on this one, then select this value field setting.
Value field setting. Okay.
Yeah, then click on average.
Okay, got it. Yeah.
Then you have the average data. Okay, now we have average data for each and every points. So just go to your Excel sheet where you have the data set, name as station name, organization or only just a station name, latitude, longitude and all the parameters. Okay, Now here you have to put your station name. Your station name would be written here, that this is your station name. Okay. Just copy and paste here. Okay. What is our station name? So sorry, organization. Organization is basically IMD.
So this is new station you are adding, or what exactly you are doing? Why you are adding a station name over here?
You have to create in one file. You have to create different sessions so that you can perform the analysis we did yesterday.
Okay.
Sir, will you please repeat once how you created that average from the Excel sheet?
Yes. Yes, ma'am. Please. Okay. So this is your file. You selected this one parameters. Control Shift and down arrow key.
No, sir. Only parameters.
Okay. First, select these parameters.
Only parameters.
Okay. Yes, ma'am. Only parameters. Click on this only parameters. Then Control Shift and down arrow key.
Yes, sir.
Then press Shift and right arrow key.
And right arrow. Okay.
Okay. Then go click on the pivot table and from table range.
Pivot table is where?
In the insert button, home, and then insert.
Yes. Yeah.
Then pivot table
Pivot.
from table range.
Yeah. Table range is automatically given.
Okay. Then
Click
yeah.
OK.
Then click on the OK. Yes. Okay. Then please this file is open. Okay. This sheet. Here just select this one. The parameter. Click check this parameter button and value button.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then in the value you have average value. Okay. Sorry. The sum value. Okay. So to know the average value, you have to select in the value section. See in the right hand side the value section. Click here. Go to value field settings.
Just a moment, sir. It is giving sum of values.
Yes, ma'am. Just click on that sum of values and then select the value field setting. Then here you have to select the average.
No, it is not giving, sir.
Okay. Okay. Can you share your screen, ma'am?
Yeah. Got it, sir. Got it.
Okay.
Yes.
Then click on average.
But that average value should be in some other cell, no? Or it is currently?
No. Just we don't need the sum values.
Yes, got it.
We just only need the average value.
Initially it was sum. Now it is showing average. Yes, sir. Got it.
Like that, you can perform min, max, and other things also. Please remember this one, the average sum, all these points, because this is applicable in when we are downloading from the Google Earth Engine. Okay, so Google Earth Engine analysis also you have to set a mean or standard deviation. You have to perform the analysis. So then again, you just have to copy your station name and you have to paste in a phrase table, or you can use the table I said you yesterday, because I already created for 26 stations. Okay, 27 stations. So if you so we can add some other stations and we can say so that we have a complete 45 station data available. So if total 47 45 data available, so this IW calculation is more accurate. Okay, so then just select copy paste your station name. Okay, then select your this one, the organization. You can give or not, that is not important. Okay, here you have to put your latitude and longitude. So latitude longitude available in this section. Here you can find latitude and longitude. Just copy the both. Okay, but see here we just are we just are taking for two values after the point. Okay, so to do that, just you have to select this one and you have to click this one, decimal. Okay, now we have 2 points. This is a very manual thing and it will take some time. Let's say you are working for Bangalore or Mumbai. So let us say Mumbai has around 20 let's say 50 sessions or 40 sessions. So you have to download for all the stations and do one in one Excel sheet you have to put like that. You also have to mention the time range. Okay, so what we can do, you can analysis for the mean of January, February, like that for each and month. Okay, then you can perform monthly analysis. Okay, so it is very time taking process, but simple and only manual things you have to do. Then you have to just put your these values. Okay, so first one is carbon monoxide, then nitrogen oxide. So just go to your Excel sheet, the previous one. Okay, here you find that carbon monoxide is 0.98. So just select as this 0.98. Nitrogen oxide 37.53. Yeah, 37.53. 37.57. Okay, 0.05 is NOx, but I think NOx not available here. No, only PM10 and PM2.5. So 202.72, 202.72, and then 65.76, 60.5.76. Okay, so we have completed for one area. Okay, so okay. Priya, you got it? How we create this Excel, or you will join late? Priya, can you unmute yourself? Okay, Snehal, for which station you are calculated the values? Snehal, Barsha ma'am, for Which station you calculated the
Sir,
value?
I calculated for that stadium station only. I saw it later. It is already there in our sheet.
Oh, okay.
But I will calculate once more and for a new station and add it.
Okay, okay, ma'am.
Yeah.
Please try this one. I already, downloaded for, let me see. If you zoomed in to the Delhi area,
Uh-huh.
1 minute. Yeah. So ma'am, this is the Delhi. Okay. So basically
Yeah.
from
Yeah.
this one, I already downloaded for these areas. So you have to choose if the left side of the Delhi areas like these points and these points.
Okay. Okay.
Okay.
I will check
Like
now. Like Patel Nagar is here, I think so. North Campus, I will check in the Excel sheet if it is there or no, and I will add.
please, ma'am, download and try to calculate for and fill for those area. Then we'll move to the next part. Okay.
Okay. Okay. I'm doing it for North Campus. I'm doing it.
Okay. Snehal, are you there? Okay, Priya.
Sir, for all the above data which is already there in that file, hello,
Yes, ma'am. And,
for all the data which is already there in that file, the period for which it is downloaded and the period for which we are downloading should match, right?
yes, ma'am. That's why I selected for March. We are basically calculated for March month.
Okay. Okay.
And also, ma'am, we are just for the demonstration purpose, I basically calculated that. But if you see here, the previous data, so if you see which one, yeah, this one. So if you see the data set is available up to see up to 14th of March, because as we discussed that it will only give around 1,000 data sets or 30 days. So it is 1,000 data sets, so that's why it is only giving for 14th of March. Okay, so we have
That
to
is
just
okay, sir. But
check that.
yeah, but the day period for which the entire data above is stored and what we are downloading, that should match. Otherwise, the result will it make the difference?
Yes, ma'am. Obviously, the different because in the
Uh,
pre-monsoon or winter month, basically PM 2.5, the data set is basically more, and in
more.
in
Okay,
the
okay.
in these periods in like today the summer periods, the PM 2.5 value is
Yeah,
very less.
yes. Okay, okay, okay. Because I had downloaded it for April. So
Yeah, okay. That's something, but when we just demonstration purpose, that will be okay. But
yeah, yeah.
for any
Understood.
project or that you have should have to in mind.
We have to be careful. Yes.
When it is completed,
So 2 minutes. Okay. The lat long data is mentioned where in that sheet?
Here you can find latitude and longitude. Here the parameters, the
yes,
values.
yes.
Snehal, Priya, are you there?
Yes, yes, yes.
No, you are. So basically, for which station you calculate the
I have
values?
for Mumbai region.
So I have joined
Oh, okay,
late,
Mumbai.
so I'm behind.
Okay, you learn the process how we calculate the values, how we create the Excel sheet.
That I understood. Only the downloading part I missed.
Sir, on
Okay,
another this
just
one, you can select the stations as well, no? Like on CPCB only. Instead of giving one station, you can select 2-3 stations. This is one, and on CPCB also we can do it. Where maybe
yes,
select all stations and for 1 month or 2 months, which is so that way also,
yeah, but
yeah.
that much of data you cannot download
Speed is comparatively less.
simultaneously.
Yes, yes, yes. Speed is
Yes.
comparatively less.
So just go to this one, okay? OpenAQ. Search for OpenAQ. Then go to this OpenAQ website. Okay. Inside OpenAQ, you just scroll down and go to this explore the data. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Then just zoom in to any of the areas like we are doing for Delhi. So just zoom into Delhi and click on any of the points.
हेलो सॉरी हमरा साइलेंट पे तब इधर सुनिए ना
So just check one and show details. Go to this show details. Check any of the session. Just click on that session. Then click on the show details. Then here you have to log in. Okay. So I already logged in. So you have to log in here and then you can download the data. Just click on download the data and then you can check your whatever parameters you need and then you can check the time range and you can download for your area.
So here, what timeline
Please
did you select
for March month.
for March month? Okay, so we are calculating the monthly average.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, monthly average.
Okay, okay.
Okay, so let's say you are doing it for okay. So this is I am doing it for Delhi. So let's say the like Snehal doing it for
Yeah.
Mumbai. So please first search for let's say 8 to 10 stations and look for what are the parameters common in all those areas because every area you would not find all the parameters. Okay. Like for example in Delhi area, if I am downloading for all the 45 sessions, so I saw that this carbon monoxide, nitrogen oxide, nitrogen dioxide, and then ozone, and then PM10, PM2.5 data is only available.
Here,
Okay.
PM10, it's twice. What's the interpretation of that? PM2.5 is also twice. It's also μg per meter.
No,
like
nothing. That is basically but different.
Okay.
Like in those sensors, those two
Yes.
types of they
Okay.
are
Okay.
working. So
I can select
that's why
anyone,
basically
right?
it is doubled.
Yeah, yeah.
Yes, yes, anyway. And if
The
you select,
parameter.
if you uncheck and if you uncheck this one, the extra data set, so that you can find, see, this 1000 records. Okay, cap. So if you download for all the values, so the downloaded data is basically from 1 to 10 or 11 dates. But you uncheck the other, extra data sets so that you can find all the 30 days you can download.
So parameters available depends on what sensors.
Yes, sensor, the organization that collecting the data, because
Okay, okay.
CPCB has its own type of sensors and the data set. We already discussed that sensors have different products, and in
Yeah.
that machine they have all the relative humidity and wind direction, all the parameters are already attached.
Mm-hmm.
So for IMD sessions, they already have the data of this one, the temperature, wind direction. Already they have the data, so that's why they are not included here. So that's why they are like this one is by the DPCC. So Delhi Pollution Control Committee, as they required all the data sets, they install those type of equipments. Also, please mention. Also, please see this reporting scenes. Okay, so data is available from 10th of August. So let's say if you are calculating for 10 year or 5 years, so please may see that if the data set is available for all the stations for those 10 years. The same process is applicable for all the analysis in remote sensing or any data related work. So what we did, we first, in the PhD periods, we must just uh, uh, make up our mind that we need to work on this topic, but we forgot to analyze if the data set is available or not. So okay, so please do for different areas, and you can perform this type of map. Okay, please calculate for 45 all the 45 sessions, and then again the same process we are did yesterday. Please follow that. Import the Excel file, and then after that, just convert this to this IDW interpolation. Then you have the raster image. Also, this is of 0.01. So if you check for 0.001 size, so that you can find more finer pixel resolution. Okay. Okay, so all are open their QGIS.
Yes, yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay, the same file we did all the classifications yesterday, all the analysis part. Let us do some interesting things and create some maps. Okay, so here we have a raster file that has the value of PM 2.5. Okay, for Delhi region. Okay, this is RDW interpolation. Okay, so let us create some, like analysis size type of analysis. Okay, let for example, just click on that. Okay. I'll show you what I'm doing, but please see this one. Then Okay. Okay. So before doing a map, let us find some some analysis here. That let us we have PM 2.5 value. Okay. Let us do it for PM 10 or for let's say carbon dioxide, and we are preparing a graduated symbol analysis. Okay. So uh, just click on this layer styling. Okay. Then if you select here, then you can see. Let me show you one thing. Just please click on this heat map. Okay. So if you click on this heat map, see, now you have a heat map. So let me, okay, you know what a heat map is. Those are basically the points where the more points or more values are being concentrated. Those are basically highlighted in the heat maps. Okay. So after all your 45 sessions, so you can create one heat map that shows basically the concentration of the stations inside the Delhi region. Okay. So okay, see, inside this Delhi, okay, these are the clusters where more stations are available, so that you can find from this analogy you can confirm that these areas have not included any stations. So if a new station is needed to included, as we are very much behind the standard of international standards. Okay, so if new stations have to be included inside Delhi, so what are the areas where you can install? Okay, so you can select here like okay, see, this one is your
So
heat map,
from where this
and
layer styling has come?
here in the
Okay.
layers inside here you can find a brush icon.
Okay.
Okay, see, these are the is in millimeter. So if you decrease the size, so this, see, this is in 5 millimeter scale. So if for one analysis they require that for each 1 kilometer range you need a station. Okay, obviously this is not all the areas, we only have 26. So if you have all that at 45, so you have all the points here. Okay, then you can perform that. Let's say for you can put this as 10 or 50. You can find that this area is available now. So this is a category of heat map. Okay, so please write down or mention somewhere that what are the tools we are basically using. So if you in later in the months or years, so if you're working on related topics, okay, so if the heat map is come up for your analysis, so you can remember that this work you already did. Okay, then you can follow from the classes, from the recordings. Okay.
So you used one word, graduated something map. What was the whole word?
Yes, sir, I will come to that after the heat map. Okay, all understood the heat map.
Yes, sir.
Okay, then just click on this one. Okay, please wait for 1 minute. Yeah, okay. Okay, so here in the symbology, click on the point cluster. Okay, so if you click on the point cluster, so if you if you find any in any website, so if there are many points available in some website, some website, so basically if you zoom out, so you can know that inside all these how many points are available. If there are more points available in a certain area, so it will only appear as one point, because you cannot count all the clusters. So this is basically in the point clusters, basically the cluster of points is basically calculated, that inside the circle there are 3 points available. Okay, like the this one. Okay, then just go to this graduated. Okay, so in the graduated, let us select uh, this one. Let us select PM10. Okay, so here you have to choose if you want equal interval or fixed interval. So let us click on equal interval. So see, you have the range. See, these white ones. Okay, let me increase the value. Okay. Yeah, see, these white points are basically the PM10 value ranges from 1921 to 237. Okay, these all are ranges from 237 to 233. Okay, now you have this type of analysis. Okay, or what we also can do here, see, this is a size based analysis. You see some in some maps, basically these are the size based analysis. So let me create some colors. Okay, see, now you have size based. The smaller the size, the lesser the amount. Bigger the size, the more the values. So you can also perform let's say 8 classes. So you have the values for 8 classes. Okay, okay, all are getting it.
No, sir, I'm not getting. This
Even I am
particular
not getting that. Inside color is still showing. And
this
Okay, see,
graduate, yeah.
this one, this one. What in this map, what we are basically trying to do, okay, for different points, basically all the points have different value. So we can classify as like this raster pixel we can calculate. Okay, or in the vector file itself we can you can perform analysis, like let's say for example you are preparing a map. So if I am selecting this one, this single symbol, okay, and increase that, increase that. So see, this there is no information here. Okay, this is only the station. Okay, the latitude, longitude, and the name of the station. This is only in this image. But uh, I want to show the audience that the PM10 values, okay, for different points. Okay, so how to do that? How to analysis that from different points? What is the PM10 range? Okay, so for that analysis, we have to just go to graduated. In the graduated, you have to select the values you want to show. Okay. So for example, I have to show that PM10 values. Okay. Then in two ways you can perform the analysis. Either you can show using different colors. Let for example, I am selecting this equal interval. So what is this white point showing? Please, anyone can
Whether it is
unmute.
less values
Least
that way.
data.
Okay, so if you have if you have created one map, and inside that map you included this color region, and you included this
Yeah, 190.
color range.
Range
So
wise it is.
an audience can understand that yes, this white point, the values is basically from 191 to 237. In this point, the value is basically higher.
Sir, I'm not getting actually that selection wala where you have selected that graduated part now. So that particular tab only I'm not able to get. I'm getting the
Here,
Delhi
here,
to
the layers.
HUL wala part.
You
Sir,
are
we
getting
are
the
not
layers.
getting that.
Okay, no issue, no issue. You can
Which
select
is-
here. You can right click, go to properties, and then go to symbology.
Right click.
Delhi AQI.
Symbology.
Actually, you have to select the layer individually. Like if you want to do it for Delhi AQI,
Yes.
then you will select Delhi AQI.
Okay.
Yes, if I am selecting for Delhi, this PM 2.5 raster. So see, according to the raster analysis, this is changed.
Okay.
It is not showing the values only, sir.
Okay, ma'am. Let me see your screen. Please share your screen now.
Yes, yes.
Properties.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay.
Just click on this equal count.
Where is
What
it?
is equal count?
The mode.
Yes, yes.
Yeah,
Yes.
click on the classify. Okay, the equal interval also good. Yeah, but here if you see that in the symbols you have nothing. The color is transparent. So just click on that symbol. Yeah, just click on that. Then the size increase the. Okay, you can select that one. Then click OK. Click OK. Yeah, then apply OK. Got it?
Yes, yes. Now I got.
Ma'am, you can also see here the layer styling also there. So here you find that this is graduated. Okay, please close this results viewer. Please close this bar.
Which, sir?
The results viewer, the down one, down.
This.
Yes, one.
Okay.
Yes, one. Just close it. Yeah.
Yes.
Now
So
I can get.
yes, yes.
Okay.
I will stop sharing. Yes, yes. Thank you so much.
Now open your share your screen so that I.
Yes, sir.
Yes. So this is one type. So in this type, what we will basically analyzing that the colors. Okay. So if the viewer can see some colors and the size, this is also available. Okay, ma'am. Please click on the size.
Yeah.
Now see, according to the size, it will segregated.
Yeah. So small means it is less contents.
Less content.
Yes. Okay, then you can colorize those points if you want is as blue or any color, or you can see ma'am, there is a size from 1 to 8. Here it is writing
Yes.
1 to 8. What is this? This is basically so from the smaller one to the bigger one. Okay, the next bigger one. Okay.
Yeah.
So that one basically the size is changed from 1 to 8. So that means the from smaller one to the next larger one, the size is basically 8 times. So you can change according to your need, that if you want to 5 times bigger
Okay.
or 10 times bigger, you can change that.
So it is showing the status of AQI, right? The values related
Uh,
to AQI, matlab like the range which is given, like 152 to 206 and all. So it is related
no,
to AQI.
this is selected as ma'am selected here. See, the value is PM10.
Okay, huh, that's what I'm thinking. It is related to
Yeah.
AQI or it is related to what? Okay.
No, how it can show you the values. It will show you from your table.
Yeah.
Okay,
Okay.
attribute table.
Okay. Okay.
So you can check your attribute table, and all the values, if you are available in the attribute table,
Hmm.
you can
Hmm.
analyze
Hmm.
this one.
So
Okay.
this also it is showing like 152 to 206 is this size, then this, then this, then this.
Yes, ma'am.
The left
Basically
side.
this smaller to larger one, which is basically 8 times bigger, and the value
Yeah.
range.
Yes, sir. Yes. Thank you so much.
Okay. So here what we did, we go to size, and we have our size. Okay, I'm setting as 5. Okay, now we have our sizes. Okay, let us, and also here also you can like see this 191 to 237. If you are not liking the number, you can also choose according to your need also. Okay, just click on this value. Okay, and you can check the value. Let's say I'm creating for 190 to 250. Okay, now you can see this is more beautiful like, way to perform here. So 300 to, let's say, 340 or something. And 370 to 420. Okay, so this is not equal interval, but you can see the numbers are more more presentable. Okay. So we have two values, one for PM 2.5 and the graduated symbol. Okay, in the background this is not looking good. So let us create some different. Okay, let us create one map. Okay, so you are already created any map in ArcGIS or QGIS?
Yes, sir. I have created, but long back.
In the QGIS, so sorry, ArcGIS, I think.
Both, sir. Both.
Okay.
RJS. Hey, more.
Okay, so let us create one. Okay, so here what are the values we have? We have the Delhi shape file. We have the PM 2.5 raster image. We have the graduated symbol of Delhi AQI. Okay, so PM10 values. Okay, to create one map, just select this project and go to layouts. This one, layout manager. Okay. Oh, sorry, the layout one. No? Yeah, yeah. Okay, new print layout. Okay, sorry. This one, this new print layout. And you, let's say this is week 3, day 4. I'm selecting and click on OK. So this is open.
Yes,
So this
sir.
is basically your canvas where you have to create one map. Okay, so in the ArcGIS, you can create one map for one project, okay, or one QGIS file. But here you can do various maps in one file itself. Okay, so here we have basically what are the what are the items in one map. Okay, so there will be basically a map obviously, and there is a legend, title, and scale bar, and the grids. Okay, these all are available in one map. So here all you can find here in the add item. Okay, here also in the add item, and the same available here also in the left hand side. Okay, click on the add item and you can click on this add map. Click on the add map, then just select and drag, and you have your value. Okay, so basically the scale that we are seeing in any maps, the 1:to some scale, those are basically, this is your basically the scale. Okay, so we can create a scale like that. So if you decrease the value, the size is basically increase. Okay, so this increase more. Okay, yeah, we have, see, using this hand button, so we can move. Yeah, move item button. Okay, sorry. In the move item button, basically we can move this
Sir, how did you
according to
get
our.
that map here?
Okay, select this add item, add map,
That
and
I
then
did.
just click here and drag to the bottom. Got it, ma'am?
No, but my screen is blank. That I'm doing it.
Please make sure that your files are checked in the QGIS panel.
Sorry. Delhi AQI, Delhi PM 2.5 and Delhi AQI projected. These four are checked, sir.
Okay, okay. Nice.
Yes, sir. It
I'm
came
not
up.
getting it. Like how you have dragged and like how you have done this thing?
You select the corner of the screen and drag it down. It whatever is on the canvas there will be reflected here.
I'm not getting it.
Okay, okay. Let me see your screen.
It's simply blank.
Okay, please share your screen.
Okay. Uh, yes. See, now this one is one which is open and this is there, right, sir?
Yes, open the layout. Yeah.
Okay. So now simply I have to click here and
Okay. No, not like that.
then
First, you have to go to the add map.
First, click on the add item. Go to add item.
okay, add map.
Click on add map. Then you go to the corner and drag to the bottom.
Still it is not there.
Check.
Please
Check.
open your QGIS. I think you did not check.
So here it is check Delhi AQI. See here
Yeah, please close this layer styling. Yeah, okay. I'll see now.
this one, no layer styling. Okay.
Okay, now go.
Go on that another. Okay. Then again add item.
No need. Just click on the refresh in the map one. In the right hand side, it is showing map 1 in the item properties.
Item properties. It is showing map
Just
1.
in the down button, the item properties. There you have a refresh button. Just click on that refresh button.
Where it is?
In the item properties, item map 1.
Map 1. Okay.
The blue color, the recycle, the refresh one.
That left
Acha,
hand
acha,
side first
acha.
one.
This
Yes, yes.
no.
Okay, it is not showing. Okay, so go to your QGIS file again. Just
Whether it
no need to do
okay,
anything
okay,
on that.
okay.
Um,
Okay.
okay, just click on this daily AQI, right click, zoom to layer.
Okay.
Yeah, okay, and then please uncheck this black colors. Okay, just go to Delhi, right click,
Okay.
go to properties.
Uh,
Yeah, go to transparency.
okay.
Okay, select here 0. In the additional no data value, write 0.
Okay.
Click on apply. Okay.
Apply. Okay. Okay.
Okay. Also check your Delhi save file. Where is your Delhi save file?
Where it is? Huh. This one, no?
This one.
Tick,
So
tick
this
box.
also I should take, right?
Yeah.
Yes. So that you have a boundary
Oh,
option. Na? Just click on this Delhi AQI.
okay.
No, that one. The Delhi.shp.
Okay.
Delhi save file. Right click properties and select any blank uh, file, blank tile. Go
Fill.
down, and
This one?
yeah.
No,
No, the above one, the outline red.
Okay.
red kar. Huh.
Yeah, apply. Okay.
This red one.
Yes,
Red
yes.
boundary with.
Yes, ma'am.
Selected,
It is selected.
selected.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
Okay. ठीक है.
Okay. Now all the things are set. Now just go here and click on that refresh button.
अरे no.
Okay. Okay. So please delete that one. Delete. Yeah. Just click on delete. Just click delete button in your keyboard. In your keyboard, you have delete button. Just click on delete.
Okay.
Yeah. Then again, please go to this add item, add map. Then select.
Okay.
Yeah.
Got it.
So basically what happens in previously that your
Huh.
scale is very small in the
Okay.
canvas,
Okay.
so that here is different. That's why you are not
Okay. Okay.
getting.
Okay. Got it. Got it. Thank you. Thank you, sir.
Please do this stylings also. Okay. In the Delhi AQI, go to styling and then either you have to check for graduated and also you do not do the IW.
Yeah, this I will be. I will do it.
Okay, so now we have our data. If you want to move your inside the save file, just click on this one, move item content, and then you can move this one. Okay. Yeah. Okay. So what we need after that? Okay, just okay. Please select. You can select on this arrow button, and you can do this some smaller section so that the grid values will be appearing on the above. Okay. Yeah. Now we have set. Okay, we set it. Okay, this is Done. Then what we need first? We need the okay, let us create for the legend item. Okay, click on the add item, then you have add legend. Okay, click on that, and then anywhere you can drag. Okay, now you have all the legends. But obviously all the things we did not need. Okay, so if the Google Hybrid we do not need, so just click on this and okay, okay, just uncheck this auto upgrade and then just select this Google Hybrid and select this minus button. Okay, so you can find that these all are gone. Move this AOD minus, LAOD minus. Okay, only what you need to display you can select. Got it? Okay, then again, also this band one gray we do not need. This is no point being band one gray, so you can delete that. So we have this PM 2.5 and we have this bar. And what is this bar? This is basically the points. So what you can do, also we can change these
How to
numbers, but
delete
basically
band one gray?
you have to just select on that band on gray and click on that minus button.
Okay, okay. Yes.
Okay, so see, this is Delhi. So if you are preparing a map, so this is Delhi is you can write it as Delhi boundary or your study area you can write also. So you can I write Delhi boundary. Where I write, I just select on this Delhi, double click, and then you can find this one. Okay. Also, you can perform this width and height according to your need. Then you can go to the Delhi equi. What is our value here? We are calculated PM10. So my it is not working. My keyboard is not working. So please write it as PM10. Okay, just write PM10 values, or you can perform PM10 and in the bracket you can share the unit. Okay, so here if you can go to this PM10, so this PM10 has a unit of this angstrom meter cube. Just copy it and place it in your unit button. Okay, now if one can see, it is say that this is PM10 value and the values they can see and the unit also they can know. Okay, what the unit is. Okay, also same for this one, just write here as PM 2.5. Okay, PM2, please, my keyboard is not working, my M key is not working, so
So
please
where
write
did
here
you
PM
get that
2.5.
where did you get that unit from?
In the Excel what we downloaded previously from the OpenAQ.
Yes.
In
I
that
was just
Excel you have all the parameters, values, and after that the unit of the value. See, carbon monoxide as ppb. Can you find it?
No, sir. Actually, when that is saved, it is just giving that pivot table val data. It is not giving the original data.
No, here in this is sheet 1. Just click on this open location one. There is 2 sheet here, no? Just click on this one, this sheet.
No, that only. My first sheet is not saved here. I don't know how. It's okay.
Okay, the original sheet is not available inside your.
Not available. It was, I don't know. After calculations, it went.
No, if you choose the new worksheet, so it will saved here, and a new sheet is basically saved here, so that you
Actually,
have
I
2 sheets
selected new
available.
worksheet, but I don't know. Okay, sir.
Okay,
Not there.
okay. Let me share it in chat, and you can copy here. Okay, please copy from here. You can copy from here. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Then what is this? This is basically our legend. So just write here legend. Okay. Okay. Just go here, and here you can see that let us choose some different things that let's say in the fonts, go to fonts. Let's say our legend title is basically we have to give in the Times Roman. Okay, so you can perform your Times Roman. You can select bold. Okay, and can increase the size. Then you can do for others also. Okay, so as you can see the PM, this is changed basically. Okay, so group heading, you can perform this as Times Roman. We can increase this one to let's say 15. Yeah. Okay, so we did all the things in the legends. Then you can go to this one. This you can select the frame. So now you have the frame.
Frame is in fonts only, sir. Ah, no, got it.
In the fonts, you have basically different, the legend,
Yes, yes.
then the
Yes,
group
yes.
headings like this one.
Yes, yes.
Then also you can change the backgrounds. Also, you can, you can space symbol. You can create according to your style. Okay.
Frame.
Okay. Let us now include our title. That what is our title of our data, or let's say this image. Before that, let us create first grid. Okay, the grid is important first. That means the latitude longitude. Okay. So just click on this map, and in the map, if you go here, yeah, you can find here grid. Please click on this map, and if you go down, you can find here as grid. You can select the frame, then select on the grid, then grid. Or you can find the grid option.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then click here the plus icon. So you have this grid. Select this one and then modify grid. Okay. So this is selected. Okay. So this is first the grid type. That means inside if you need any cross or marker. So if you need, okay. So that's why these all are. So we have using this one, the WGS84.
We will not select 43N over here.
43 knot, actually this 43 knot is basically we are not doing it for all the files. We are basically did it for only one file, na? So that's why we only doing it for this project CRS.
Okay.
Okay, please give a moment. We're not getting this values. I don't know why. Okay, so we selected this one grid and the modify grid. Okay, so there is some error here, I think. We're not because when you choose this one, this map grids, so these grids will come up
So the same is happening
this
with me. And
automatically.
even before, once I used QGIS 3.4, the same problem was there with the mapping portion. That's why I switched back to 3.2.
Okay.
It is showing for me, sir.
Ma'am, your version is
3.44. You told that, no?
yes, but why in our? Okay, then just can I see your screen, ma'am? Please share your
Yes, sir.
screen.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Yeah, ma'am, you got it. Yes.
Hmm.
Okay. So, ma'am, please click on this grid type. There is solid. Just click on
Yeah.
that and click on frames and annotation
Cross.
only. No, frame and annotation only. Yeah. So that we have no grid values required. Okay. You can go down.
Actually, sir,
Okay.
for interval, we need to go to the millimeters.
Yeah.
Sir was doing that. I saw it from
Millimeters is
him
also
only.
there,
Okay.
but
Yeah.
it has to become automatically.
When I
But
did
I
the
don't know.
millimeter thing, it happened.
Oh, okay. Okay, then you do. I
You
will
got it,
see
sir?
what is the problem. Ma'am, you can go down or you can go below that. No, no, just leave that. Uh,
Uh-huh.
yes, again more. 1 minute.
Offset, I have not said. It has come on its own.
Okay, then please select on that one. No frame. No frame. No offset is not required. We'll do it after the frames come. Click on this one. No frame. No, in the down post. Yeah, the no frame. Just select any one. Please
Hmm.
select the zebra one. Yeah, so that you have the zebra style. Or just click on that zebra and then click on that exterior ticks. Exterior ticks. Yeah, so that we have only
Yes.
the ticks value is there. Okay.
Yeah.
Uh, then ma'am,
Hmm.
go below and
Select
yeah.
this
Then the
frame.
left
Shall I?
division. No. Click let me see if anything can do. Uh, no, all things are great. Okay, all things. You can close that one. Yeah,
Okay.
you can close this frame one. Then yeah, ma'am, just select the draw coordinates. Yes. Now you have the coordinate value here. Okay,
Hmm.
so okay,
This
so this
will be
is
those projected coordinates, no?
yes, ma'am. This is actually wrong. Actually, this is not in. So these are in degree decimal. Sorry, yes, ma'am. Degree decimals, not in degree minute second. Okay, so
So we need to change something.
yeah, from the that one the projected coordinate basically we need to check, but we'll see after
Okay.
some time. Okay, so,
Okay. So that initially what we did in QGIS projection that we need to check.
yes, from the projection system basically we need to check that one. Okay, ma'am, I'll check that what if this is the version problem or any problem why this is appearing, and then I will show you on Monday. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay,
Shall I
then just
stop sharing then?
no, just continue. Then
Yes, sir.
do some analysis. Then in that right and left, please select those are in horizontal. Just check just the horizontal. Yes, ma'am. Just click to vertical ascending. Yeah, and also same
This
for
is
the
the
right.
orientation. Okay.
Yes,
Horizontal, vertical ascending. Na?
yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Going
so
little
that's
out.
how we will. Okay, so basically these are more many ticks are there. Basically, many numbers are there. If you uh, so the numbers if you decrease want to decrease the numbers, so you can select that go to the appearance.
Uh, sir, we have to also that north symbol is also needed here, no?
Yes, sir.
That will come from
Where
here, I think.
also north arrow is there, also title is there, also map there.
Yes.
We'll do that. Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Then this is the interval. You
So
can you
you,
can change the interval. Ma'am, you select the
uh,
centimeters. That's why the values are gone. Please click
on,
on the millimeter.
yeah. Okay. Yeah.
Okay. So that in the x and y this is 20. Please change it to 60. Okay, now you have
Yes,
lesser
sir.
number of points. Okay, just click
Many
anywhere
points.
outside. Yeah, now you get.
Yeah. It came.
You can do according to the size of your area. You can perform. If I'm now, you can uh, let me share my screen.
Okay, sir.
Okay, so that is how we are basically doing the. We did the that one.
Map.
Okay, this one, the grid and the legends are done. Okay, so in the maps, in the
So for legends, you went where? Enable grid.
where legends.
For legends, you went. You wrote that legend, no?
Yeah, you have to select the select this legend, and you in the title you have to type legend.
Acha,
Click
I
on
have to
here.
select this.
Then the
Yes,
title you have
I
to
got
choose
it, sir.
legend.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay, this is not working. Okay, let me see why this is the problem is appearing as
What is not working, sir?
the grid that is not working for me. That's why I'm checking that if
Sir, your. Acha.
okay, just stay a little. Okay, so where are we? We are basically doing the maps. One frame is required. Okay, now in the maps what we did, basically the size is basically more. Yeah, nine. Sorry. Okay, now we got it. Yeah. Okay, so we basically select the legend. Okay, let me decrease the size. Yeah. Okay. Okay, the legend is done. Then okay, then the north arrow. You can check the add item north arrow or add a north arrow, or here you can perform also north arrow. Just select one and drag here, and you can get your north arrow. Okay, you can see here you have very various SVGs are there, images are there. You can select any of the north arrow you want. Okay. Got it? It is done.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then just click on the add item. Then in the add item, or let's say add label, drag it, and you can write here anything. Let's say this is particulate particulate matter in Delhi. No need to do this one. I basically my keyboard is not working. That's why I'm going here. Party yeah. Particulate matter. Then you can increase the font. You can write here as Times Roman. Okay. We can do for let's say 30 or let's say 40. Okay, and we can increase that one. Yeah. Matters. Just light here matters. Double T or single T? Okay,
Double T.
this one. Okay, also we need a scale bar. So you can click this scale bar here and you can drag, and here you have the scale bar in kilometers. Okay. Okay, so this is in kilometers, so you can change only the font size. Uh, okay, so now we have one map. Also here you need to if you want to include a map in map, that you want to include India map, then inside India you need to highlight the Delhi region. Okay, like in various this one various papers, you find that this is one India and said that it is Delhi, and you can find the Delhi. Okay, so for that reason you need to go to your QGIS and need to add your India save file. Okay, so this is basically our India state boundary. Okay, and yeah, okay, so just go to our option in the map. Okay, so let us do that. We created one map, and you can include this one inside this one, map in map, like this one. Go to this add item, then again one add map, then you can select one map. Okay, and inside that map 2,
Delete.
okay. Okay, so for the next class, I will show you the that one. Why this is not appearing? The grids are not appearing. Okay, so just go to this layout and then export as image, or you can export as PDF. Okay, if you are exporting as image, okay, just select your the this one PNG or JPG if you want JPG, but save as PNG so that you have the highest this one. And here you need to see this is 300 dpi, so you increase the dpi, the quality and the file size will be increased. Okay, so that this 300 dpi is good enough, so just save it, and you can find your image where we saved, day 3 we saved. Okay, okay, you have your image, but in this map we are basically missing the legend, sorry, the grids are basically missing, so this is not a very good map. Okay, also what we can do, you can also include some graphs here. Okay, let me show you the graph section. Okay, so this is our Delhi shape file. So this is our Delhi AQI. Go to this layer styling. Here there is, this one. This is your this 3D view, and see, this is your symbology, then labels, mask, 3D view, then you have diagrams. So click on the diagrams. Okay, select what the diagram you want. You want histogram or you want pie chart. Okay, so let us do histogram. Then you can select all the files you want to show in the graph. Okay, now you have the bar graphs. See, you have the bar graphs or the histograms basically, but this is of very large size. The size is very large, so okay, so these are basically the graphs, and the graphs are set as PM 2.5 value, as this is the your maximum value. So you can find that these are basically the PM 2.5 values, as you can see here in the diagrams. Okay, this is PM10 and this is PM 2.5. So you have the PM 2.5 graphs. Okay, so let me do some things here.
Sir, I'm not able to see that diagrams, histogram there.
Here you have to
Apply
check the
button is.
enable diagram.
Yes. And apply is not getting selected still.
No, because it is live update. That's why. You change anything, it will directly show you in here.
It is not showing. I don't know why. I clicked that
um,
enabled.
you checked this one. Click on these numbers and click on plus icon. Then click this one. Then
Yeah,
click plus icon so that you have all the value.
I did all. So only for we have to take for CONO or only PM10.
Yes, ma'am. There's no need to visualize latitude longitude in the graphs. So we have to
And
do only
station
for
name.
the numbers. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, okay. Okay.
Station name is already there.
Ah, yes, it's all right. But still that apply is not getting activated.
Yes, ma'am. The live update is checked.
Live update
This
is
live
checked,
update
sir.
button. Okay,
Ah,
those then no need to
unchecked.
apply button. Those so this live update is that you change anything, it will appear here. If you don't want that, if you want to that, if you work all the things and then you click apply, then you uncheck this one in your and your apply button will appear. So this one
But
is
it is not
basically live update. You
not showing, sir. Both the ways it is not showing.
I think you can scroll down or do that.
I will check, sir. There is some what could be the problem.
Okay. Then we have to create some that the bar length. Okay, what the values you want to set, because see, this is not a good way to visualize all these, because the PM2 values are in 300, 400s, PM10 values, and the CO values in points. So that's why you are not getting all the values here. Okay, so if you uncheck that one, so let us uncheck the carbon. I think, okay, let me see what, okay, this carbon monoxide value is very less. So if you uncheck that one, okay. Now you can see that if we want to see the PM10 and go to find, okay, now you can see some points here. These are basically your graphs, bar graphs. Also, if you have the census data, so you can include the pie charts here, that the male female ratio or the population ratio, you can also do that here. Okay. Also, you can like bar orientation is also there if you want to view as right or left to right. Okay, so you can do this also. So here you you find that all the graph is basically visualized here. So someone can directly visualize all the graphs here. Okay, or if you created the graphs in Excel file and you want to view here, so yeah, so you can select this one, the add item and the add picture. So if you have already created a graph or anything, so you can include the image here also. Okay. Okay. So any doubt in this map making, uh, other than the grid data? Yeah, this is looking something. The values is slightly Okay, so any doubt up to this point?
No, no. No.
Okay. Okay. Also, you can create a WebGS map. We already did it in the 3-day webinar. Okay. So for that, you just need to install. Okay, you need to install. Please search for QGIS2 Web. Okay, this one. Please install this one, QGIS2 Web. Okay, then go to Web and go to QGIS and create web map. So there are two algorithms or data, algorithms. There is OpenLayers and the leaflet. Okay, so if you want any of that, if you want to create your files as OpenLayers, you can select that, or you can select the leaflet, and then you can uncheck the all the things that is not wanted, like all these are unchecked basically. Okay, then you can go to here in the appearance. If you want to add some titles here. Okay, or if you want to add some abstract, no need. Okay, so if you want some measuring tool to appear or not. Okay, and the layer search. Okay, so pop-ups.
I'm not
highlight.
getting the plugin.
QGIS2 Web.
To web. Okay, okay.
Search for QGIS2 2, the number 2.
Acha, acha. Okay, okay. Connecting to the repository. I don't know why it is taking time.
Sure. Now we have one website that has the values. If you hover here, you get the daily union territory. Okay, okay, but this is okay. So let us change some things. Yeah.
काहीतरी error झाला ना.
Then just after all the settings, you just need to export. Okay, there's various settings you will understand if you choose different things. So if you choose click on the export, now you open one website so that you have all the files. Okay, this is also a measuring tool also is there, so that you can measure some distances. Okay, but here legends are not appearing. Okay, so let us check the legend item. Yeah, okay, so this pop-up fields, no labels. Hidden field. Okay, let us check for all the hidden fields so that
Manage and install plugins, you have to check for the plugin, no?
Yes, ma'am.
But it is not, it is giving, it is fetching something, it is not giving only.
Okay. Please save screen so
It is
that I can see
fetching a
that.
repository.
Okay, this is basically because of the QGIS. QGIS is loading. That's why it will
Okay.
appear for in 1 to 2 minutes.
Okay,
After
sir.
that, you just have to install the QGIS plugin. You can find the QGIS plugin in the web portal there. Then inside that is QGIS and just click on that create web map. Then you can find some ticks and export, and you can have some. You have a web site of. Um,
Okay, sir. I will check, let you see. Load.
okay, so what we did today, basically we're not only see some basic functions of QGIS, okay, and um, also create a one map. We'll see how to create one map in QGIS. Then also to create a web map using the QGIS itself. Okay. So from the next day, okay, let me share my screen. Okay. So for the next week, we will be doing the Google Earth Engine analysis. Okay. So before that, uh, please go to this, search for Google Earth Engine. Search for Google Earth Engine, and in that, okay. So this is the Google Earth Engine platform. I will be showing you what is the Google Earth Engine platform and what are the tools, datasets are available here. Also, okay. So okay. See, please go to this Get Started and please select your email ID. I have already signed for my account. Okay. So for if you have a new account, so it will appear like this one, and you need to register in the Google Engine. Okay. So please register before Monday so that we can start our analysis. Okay. You remember the process? Go to Google Engine, search for, then go to Get Started. There, okay, you can find like this one, but already my account is there.
So in GE code editor, we will be working, sir, right?
Yes, ma'am. To work in the Google editor, you need to have one account.
Yes, yes, yes.
Okay, here you need to go to the settings and then yeah. Okay, this is basically. Uh, okay, when you are open, na, so it will show you. Okay, it will show you how to what are the process, and then you can follow the process, and please select the none for the non-commercial purpose. Okay, for that you need to select the researcher. You need to access Google Earth Engine. You are doing it for non-profit, and you are doing it for research. And please include your university name and details. Okay, so then it will start in 1 minute. Okay, you have access to work on the Google Earth Engine. Okay. Okay, then we are already a bit late, so we'll meet in Monday. Okay.
Yeah, sure, sir.
Okay, sir. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Good night.
Good night.